Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your resume public on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device, and once it is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and use your login credentials in order to log into your account, and once you have been logged in, you will end up within this home page. Now, once you're in this page, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner to end up in your menu page. Now, within this page, you can tap on Profile, and this will take you to your profile menu. Now, from your profile menu, if you already have a resume uploaded, then it will be shown underneath Resume. You can tap on the three dots at the right side, and you will be able to find the button called Change Privacy. Go ahead and tap on it, and now if the option is set to not searchable on Indeed, then your CV will not be available for public to access. So if it is set to this one, go ahead and tap on Searchable on Indeed. And now you can tap on Preview Searchable Resume, and this will show you what your resume looks like to those who come across it. You can tap on the Save button to save your current settings, and now you will be shown searchable underneath your CV name. And from this point on, your CV will be available to the public. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your resume public on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.